Hello. So today is 25th October and on 30th of this month, 30th October, there is this Diwali Mela in Gorakhpur Club and it's a huge exhibition. Like बहुत सारे स्टॉल्स लगते हैं एंड बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं, बाहर से भी लोग आते हैं स्टॉल्स लगाने एवरीथिंग. एंड लकीली, वेरी लकीली, आई हैव ऑल्सो बुक्ड वन स्टॉल. I have also got a part of the stall or maybe one stall, I'm not even sure that, but I've got one stall and for my small business. For the people who don't know, I have a small business and I'll keep the link in the description box and you can check it out on Instagram. So yes, today is 25th and बहुत सारी अभी तैयारी बाकी है, बहुत सारा काम बाकी है. वो काम का एक पार्ट है जो पीछे दिख रहा है वो सब भी जाएगा वहाँ पे. अब आई एम नॉट श्योर, अभी बहुत सारा काम है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल it's 10:45 and I have to reach college by 11, so I'll be going there, heading out, and I'll be back by lunchtime, so I'll see you after lunch. Bye. So रात के बज चुके हैं 10 और मैंने लंच टाइम का बोल के डिनर टाइम के बाद का काम मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ. बट आई वॉज ओनली डूइंग वर्क, सो देयर वॉज नथिंग एक्साइटिंग टू रिकॉर्ड, therefore I didn't record. And next time I'll record, that time I will be doing something exciting to record. and मैं record बहुत बार बोल दिया. Okay. Day 2, 27th October, 3 days to go. I was going to start my work for today, but since as you can see the mess on the workplace, so I thought let's clean it up थोड़ा सा. So let's go. मेरे वर्क प्लेस पे क्या कर रहा है, बट एक्चुअली आई हैव सीन दिस हैक, फैशन हैक. इस फोक्स की हेल्प से वी कैन मेक प्लीट्स, बहुत क्लीन और बहुत सिमेट्रिकल प्लीट्स आती है. if you want, maybe I can make a video for fashion hacks, like maybe machine hacks or sewing hacks or small business hacks, something like that. So let me know in the comment section if you want to see one. ये वाला hack भी I'll include obviously. As you can see, there is chalk bits पीछे, क्योंकि marking में you actually have to make noodles to bake plates. So this is the after. Khachak chakachak. So yes, we have successfully completed the cleaning process. अब हाँ, floor गंदा हो गया है. So अभी the cleaning maid will come and she'll clean that up. So let's start with some work now. So it's day 4 or probably the last day, 29th October. कल हमारा exhibition है and yesterday I was not able to shoot anything क्योंकि I had a severe headache, severe headache. I did do work, I did complete some of the work, but I was not able to shoot anything, so pardon. Today we have a lot of work क्योंकि कल हमारी speed 50% decrease हो गई थी. So आज we have to do the whatever work जो भी कल का भी बचा हुआ है.
So सबसे पहले we will be completing earrings. फिर उसके बाद I have to go and get the tags from the shop. I have already given the order, so he had told me कि 12 बजे तक आप आ जाओ लेने. And अभी बज रहा है 10:30 approximately. ओह 9:30 बज रही है. Okay. Actually yesterday headache की वजह से I slept at 8 o'clock. मेरे जैसी बंदी आपको थोड़ी देर टाइम बाद पता चलेगा. मैं 1-2 बजे सोने वाली बंदी हूँ. एंड yesterday I slept at 8 o'clock. I took the medicine and I slept. पहली बार मैंने हेडेक का दवा लिया. वाह. So I got up at 3:30 in the morning. अपने आप नींद खुल गई क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली नींद पूरी हो गई थी नो. So 3:30 में नींद खुल गई. फिर I tried sleeping. फिर I slept at 5. Then I got up at 7. So since 7 I worked for 2 hours approximately, and then I went for freshen up, hair wash and everything is done. Head is normal now. ये हेयर वॉश की वजह से ही हेडेक हुआ क्योंकि काफ़ी दिन से मैंने हेयर वॉश नहीं किया था तो बहुत वो भारी हो गया था. So I have to go and collect the tags, then I'll come back, then I'll be completing the scrunchies. Scrunchies में last step की stitching जो होती है वो बाकी है सिर्फ, और earrings बाकी. तो earrings I'll complete and then I'll go for scrunchies. तब तक my mom will be helping me today again. 2-3 दिन से she is helping me with all my work. So tags हो जाएगा. फिर I have to go at 4 o'clock to the venue to see what my stall looks like, and if I have to do any arrangements, if I have to do any changes in that, I can do it today only. कल we won't be allowed to do any changes. So I have to go there. I'll check that, all of that. Maybe I'll take the camera and shoot there. कि कैसा लग रहा है आज, फिर कैसा लगेगा कल. We'll see what we can do. बस हो गया. Let's go. Okay.